What's going on, guys and gals? Fitzy here. Just got to the water. It's probably about 11 o'clock. Back at one of my favorite ponds, doing a little kayak fishing today out of the new canoe Pursuit. Last time I was here was probably, I don't know, maybe 2 weeks ago or so. Had a good day, but I had a lot of break-offs, bite-offs, missed hook sets, so we're hoping to get a little redemption today. Land some more fish than last time, and maybe getting some bigger bass than last time. So let's get out in the water and see what happens. There, oh, pike. There we go. Oh yeah, we got a hook set on him, I think. Well, we got him in some slop. I'm just gonna reel him right in. Come here. Oh, it's a bass. Sweet. Nice. I just had a pike hit just moments before this, so I thought it was another pike. Not a big dude, but he's chunky. He's healthy looking. There we go, baby. Okay, first fish. Bass. Got him on the creature bait. I've got this creature bait set up on a small swivel, one of those micro swivels. Braid, and then a 25-pound fluorocarbon leader, because I think this is more bite proof than the braid itself. So that's why I go with the leader, not so much because of flying shy, but for bite proof. Nice. There we go. Little guy. Oh, it's a rock bass. Fish number 2, Rocky. Yeah, baby. How you doing, Mr. Rocky? Haven't seen a Rocky. Man, he's got like a weird hump. All right. All right, we're struggling here. The wind is being a real pain. Just hard to keep position unless you constantly keep anchoring. So it's hard to work water quickly. So, but we've got 2 fish on the board. Got the largemouth bass and the rock bass. So we're gonna keep making our way around, working some of these pads, and then I'm probably gonna go to some open water and just drift along and do some casting, maybe anchor up here and there into some of that open water, running stuff over the grass. So okay, let's keep on fishing. All right. We're gonna work this little weed edge right here. I might have to do some anchoring, work it thoroughly enough. This wind will just yank you right out of position in a matter of seconds. There we go. We got something. We got something. We got a hook set that time. Got a good hook set. It's a pike. Pickerel. She was a bass, but it's okay. Oh, that's a nice bass. Holy moly, guacamole. Get the net, give me the net. That's a nice bass. That's a nice bass. Come here, baby. Yes. Yes. Nice. Nice to catch a fatty bass. It's been a while, man. It's been a while. Look at that fatty. Nice. Beautiful. There we go. Yeah, baby. There's our fatty bass. Alright, let's let him go. There he goes. Whew. Yeah, working that weed edge. That was key. I got him on the old trusty. I haven't thrown this a lot at all this year. Like trusty old Texas rigged soft stick bait, man. We're gonna keep working this. There we go. A little guy. Little guy. Come here, little guy. He hit that like he stole it. Little dude. All right. Oops. Okie dokie. There we go. We're just gonna swing you up into the boat with us, buddy. Not a huge guy, but not a super dink either. Here we go. Not too bad. There we go. Nice little bass. Healthy guy. It's back in the water, buddy. Okay. Sweet. Again on the soft stick bait, Senko style. Alright folks, that's gonna do it. A few bass, I think maybe 4 or 5. Lost a couple. Not a bad day. It's probably about 3:30, 4 o'clock. Been out here for about 4.5, maybe 5 hours. Tough fishing. I mean, it wasn't horrible fishing, but it wasn't stellar fishing. But it's that thick stuff. It's summertime, and it's a needle in a haystack sometimes trying to find a largemouth that'll hit something. So, but no complaints. Got out on the water, got some fish. What more can you ask for? So, but as always, take care. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.